Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Tekosor, and I just got the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. I got two colors, the navy color and the white exclusive, which is sold only in Samsung store. If you are undecided like me, which color to keep, I hope this video is going to help you know which one goes along with your preference. So, if you look at the box, you will find that it's actually a very nice design on both of them. Like the design of the box is really neat. Here you have the black because there is the black exclusive color as well, which is also sold only in Samsung store, the crafted black. And you have the white exclusive. And here you have a standard navy color. And in my opinion, both of them have a very nice looking box design. So I already opened the navy color because I was testing it for some gaming and stuff like this. I'm going to upload the video soon after this one. I just unboxed it again in order to show you guys the whole experience from the beginning. It's the first time that I get a navy color, and it reminds me of the Galaxy Note 9. If you ever owned a Note 9, you will find some similarities like in the blue. Like you can see this navy color is kind of similar to blue. Like it has a really nice looking color to it. And here is the main screen. Like you can see there is the crease. You can clearly see it. However, in my opinion, while I'm using it, I can barely see it. Like you almost get zero results. It reminds me a lot of the S24 Ultra design, like the boxy design. And it's definitely a step forward for the foldable phones, in my opinion. I've seen a lot of foldables by Xiaomi, Honor. I've seen a lot of videos about them. And what I love about the Z Fold is the hinge. The other foldables would close immediately as soon as you close them, while this one has a lot of resistance when you want to fold it or unfold it. Like you feel you are doing an effort while folding it and unfolding it. Like you can see even at this angle, it's giving the resistance. It's not closing it. Like it's the best hinge on the market for foldable phones, definitely. Like you guys see, even as you fold it and unfold it, it's very satisfying. Like, let me show you. You see, it's able to maintain at this angle even, like keeping it unfolded. Like it's not even folding at this angle. It's really one of the best folding mechanism I've seen. Like the hinge is really thin, yet it's very strong and capable of doing lots of folding. You see, like even as I close it and unclose it, it's very strong. So you can see the navy color. It's pretty hot. Like it's really cool. Let's switch to the exclusive color, which is the white. I'm quite excited for it because even though I love the navy, however, I think I'm going with the white. I'm not sure if I'm going to like it in real, but I've seen it online and I just felt like it's a good change. Anyway, let's open it. This one is brand new, so I'm just opening it with you guys. Always make sure to hold the box after you open it so it doesn't fall. And here we go. Oh my God, guys. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? It's amazing. Like as you have here a white phone, you have the camera lens in black. So you have like a two color tone effect, you know, like you feel the shapes of everything are more visible since you have a very light color versus a very dark color. You know what I mean? So far, I really love how it looks. And here is my screen. Here we have like a white all around. As you can see, it's very, very white. I know this one isn't the thinnest foldable. However, it's way thinner than Galaxy Z Fold previous models, like the Z Fold 4. As a user of the Z Fold 4, I can definitely see a difference. Like you see the USB Type-C port. I'm not sure if others would like it. However, for me, I love to have a bit of a frame in between every port. Like you see here, if I had the whole thickness of the phone in the same one of the port, it would look like there is something wrong with it. I really don't love that kind of shape. Like in my opinion, having a little bit of thickness in between every port, like here, it's going to give it a little bit more better resistance in structure and in frame. Just my opinion. As of now, I'm not sure if they can do it any thinner and still look this nice. However, in my opinion, I never had any issues with AV1 while using it for 10 days so far. Like, it's quite thin. Let me open it so you guys can see it. So both of them are quite thin. Let's put them so you can see the color difference. I appreciate both of them and I love both of them. However, I'm curious to know what you guys think. Would you prefer the navy or would you prefer the white? I'm not sure. Let me now remove the protector. Remove it carefully. And here is the screen. I love how it looks. Let's fold it for the first time. And here it is. Let's remove this one. Both of them are beautiful in my opinion, but I'm going to try on the white and see if I like it a bit more. I'm not sure. So far, I feel like I'm going to enjoy this one. I feel like it's very, very beautiful. I just wanted to share this video to show you guys ZFOLD navy color versus the white one. I'm curious to know what you guys think about them. So let me know in the comment section which one you prefer. And if you're currently looking for a ZFOLD 6 or if you got one already, be prepared. I'm going to release some videos related to gaming on the ZFOLD 6 and whether it's a good addition as an accessory to have a cooler. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I really hope you liked this video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.